Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the integration of hyperbolic functions. So first problem is integration of cos hyperbolic to the power whole cube x dx. So first of all we know that cos hyperbolic function is equals to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2. So we are going to substitute this value in this integration, and this is the formula. When we will substitute this value, it will be e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2 to the power whole cube. Now we can just take this out as it is a constant, so I am going to take this out of the integration and this will become, this will get cube, so it will be 8 and it will be like this. Now we know that we have a formula that a plus whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. So we will just use the identity over here. So this it will be e to the power x to the whole cube, so it will be 3x plus e to the power whole cube, it will be minus 3x plus 3 a into b, so the powers will get added and it will be e to the power 0, that is 1. So we will put it over 1 and a plus b, that is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x and whole integration. 1 by 8 we'll just multiply and open the brackets. Last step was this, so when we will integrate this, it will be 1 by 8 and this will be e to the power 3x and the multiple of 3 will go in the divide, and this will be e to the power minus 3x and there will be minus 3, so 3 and here I will put minus plus e to the power, this will be as it is because 3 is the constant, and when we will integrate this it will be as it is, then e to the power minus x and minus 1 will go in the divide, so here it will be minus. So this is the integration. You can further simplify it. It will be e to the power 3x, 3 8 is 24, minus e to the power 3x and 3 8 is 24 plus e to the power 3x by 8 minus e to the power minus x by this. In a similar way you can go for these integrations, and these are much simpler than that. In this you will have to use the identity of a plus b whole square, and in this there is no use of identity. So I hope these questions will be as easier for you now, and if you get any problem you can text me in the comment section, or the Instagram link is in the description box, you can message me over there. Now let us see if we have to integrate sine h cube x dx, hyperbolic of sine and it is cube. So as we know that sine hx is equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. We will substitute this value in the integration and it will be e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2 to the whole power cube dx. In a similar way we will put 1 by 8 outside of the integration and we will put the identity of whole cube over this section. So e to the power x, it will be this. First of all let me write the identity over here. It will be a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. So when you will put the value, it will be e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 3x minus, when you will add the powers it will be e to the power 0, that is 1. So I'm just not writing that, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, and this is dx. Now just we have to simply integrate that, and it will be e to the power 3x by 3 minus e to the power minus 3x by minus 3. So I'm just putting a plus sign over here, and this will be as it is. And now plus e to the power minus 1. So I'm just changing the sign over here. And as I said, you can further simplify it by e to the power 3x, 3 8s are 24, plus e to the power minus 3x, 24 minus, this is x. A similar way you can do the integration of these hyperbolic functions. In this you have to use the identity of a minus b whole square, and this will be done without any identity.